till you feast your eyes on this. Yes. These are chocolate cupcakes with peanut butter frosting. One is a with cream cheese, and the other is just a buttercream with peanut butter in it. Oh my God, guys. So let's bake. These are all the ingredients that you will need to make these delicious chocolate cupcakes. And again, this recipe was inspired by keto certs. And again, guys, I like to pre-measure everything, so you do the same so that we can bake together. First, we're going to add 1 3/4 cup almond flour, 1/2 cup erythritol, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and mix all of these ingredients until well combined. Okay, this is looking good, so we can set that aside so that we can get right into the wet ingredients. 2 eggs lightly whipped, and to that we are going to add 1/3 cup softened butter. And the original recipe actually calls for Greek yogurt, but I didn't have any yogurt, so I improvised. So instead of the Greek yogurt, I actually use the softened butter along with some almond milk. Okay, blend the eggs and the butter until well combined. Again, make sure that that butter is cool so it does not cook the eggs. And to this, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, mix well. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients along with the wet ingredients. And again, I like to make a little funnel in the middle of my dry ingredients so I can gradually combine the wet and the dry. And that is to help me to prevent any lumps in my batter. So I started mixing this, and then I quickly realized that the batter was getting dry, and that's when I started adding in the almond milk. And keep adding this and mixing this until you get the consistency that you want it to be. And if it looks like your batter is too thick, then continue to add more almond milk, which is exactly what I did. And what you see here is the perfect batter for baking. Now prepare your muffin tin by lining them with some cupcake liners. And I needed to spray mine to prevent the sticking. Now we're going to scoop the batter into the cupcake tins until each one is about 3/4 of the way full. I want to smooth it out and get ready to bake these in a preheated 350-degree oven for 24 to 26 minutes, depending upon your oven. Now these are out of the oven and they have cooled for about half an hour and they are ready for frosting. And I frosted mine with this delicious peanut butter frosting, and I will leave the link to that recipe in the card above. Guys, doesn't that look good? Absolutely delicious. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, please do share, and please do subscribe to my channel. Now take a look at the inside of these cupcakes. They are absolutely perfect. Please do leave your comments and let me know how much you love these as well. Happy baking, you guys, and I will see you real soon.